All right, boom. What is up, everybody? It is time for the 10,000 subscriber drawing. And if you're following along, you'll know that in the last week, we've gone from 10,000 subscribers to 13,000 subscribers. You all are crazy. Welcome to the channel, everybody who's new. All you had to do to enter to win this contest, and it is too late because I am posting this video right now with the winners, but we will do more giveaways in the future. But all you had to do to enter this contest was to write the word boom in the comments of the giveaway video. So that's how we picked our winners. And I am going to spin a random wheel for 1, 2, and a bonus number 3 giveaway here. And then I'm going to go do a giveaway number 4. I'm giving away 4 bags. I said 3. I decided to do 4 because y'all are awesome. So we'll do 3 giveaways here, and then I'm going to hit up on Instagram another winner number 4. And again, that was just all you had to do was follow me on Instagram. This is a random giveaway to one of my followers, and I'm the Perfect Bag YT over on Instagram. All right, so let's do our YouTube drawing. Hold on one second. I'm going to add. This is all one take review with technology, which is a recipe for disaster, right? So let me add in here the wheel, and then I'll tell you what I'm going to be giving away. All right, let's look at this thing. We should have our wheel up. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so everybody who commented, I have added you here, and we are going to first be giving away actually, let me stop sharing this. Let me tell you about these bags we're giving away. Silly me. Okay, so the first bag we're going to be giving away is from Mountain Smith. This is the Adventure Office Small. It is a really, really cool bag, and we've done a review on the channel. I really like the organization on this thing, and it's got a bright yellow interior with a tablet tech sleeve, key leash, all kinds of fun stuff. So that'll be the first bag we're giving away. The second bag we're going to be giving away is from BlueLounge. This is a messenger bag. It is brand new. It's rust orange in color with a gray interior. It's got all kinds of attachment points, a couple of pockets, really well padded, Velcro closures with G-hooks for security, and a really nice padded padded strap. There we go. Yeah, so a messenger bag from BlueLounge. And then I wanted to give away a backpack too. So believe it or not, I'm giving away a sweet EDC backpack from Cargo. Check this out. Links to all these bags in the video description as always. Look at the beautiful interior on this thing. It is gorgeous. All kinds of pockets, tablet sleeve, laptop sleeve. Really, really nice. Great backpack, nice cushioning, cool grab handle, all kinds of stuff. So that'll be prize number 3. Look at this. It's even got, so sick. Love it. All right. So those are the bags. And then over on Instagram, I'm giving away my Manned Bag City Sling Large. Another really, really sweet bag. Awesome. Awesome stuff. All right. So that's what we're giving away. Time for some spins. Let's do this thing. Add the wheel of names back to the screen. Okay. We're going to do 3 spins in a row, and let's see who wins. I'm hoping it's a name that I'm allowed to say on YouTube without being banned. Let's do the BlueLounge Messenger first, the Rust Messenger bag from BlueLounge. Who's it going to be? Who's it going to be? Who's it going to be? It is Ted Jones, 1805. Ted Jones, 1805 wins the BlueLounge Messenger bag. Let's do another one. We'll remove Ted Jones. We'll do the next one. It's going to be the Mountain Smith Adventure Office bag. Awesome. Who's it going to be? No Handle 404. No Handle 404, which is a handle. No Handle 404, you've won a bag. A really nice one. And it is now backpack time. let's do this thing. The big grand prize, beautiful cargo backpack, unbelievable. Who's going to win this one? Who will it be? Who will it be? Who will it be? Tech Geek 48 has won a bag. All right, all right. How about that? All right, y'all. So those are our 3 winners. Honestly, I just want to thank all of you. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Thank you for all the comments. Thank you for creating community on the page. Thanks for connecting with me on Instagram and Twitter and sending me notes. We'll just keep growing, and I'll just keep exploring the world of bags with you. Here's a fun one that's coming up, a little sneak preview. I've got it loaded out, and I'm in testing right now. Look at this laptop brief in Safari colorway from Red Ox. There's so many good bags out there. All right, everybody. We will see you next time. The previous video has been locked so that nobody still enters, so you can't go back and watch the giveaway video. I'm going to leave this video up for a while so everybody can see who won, and I'll also do a community post congratulating the winners, and I will comment on your comment with how you can get in touch with me if you did, in fact, win a prize. But everybody, thank you so much. Really appreciate the energy and the engagement and all the fun that we're having on the channel. We will, of course, see you next time. Bye for now, everybody.